I'm going to go ahead and install this blow-off valve on an STi. This is a 2004, but a lot of them are the same. Vacuum lines right here. We're going to go ahead and pull that off. And then 12 millimeter, or it's going to be an Allen head. Just take these off. We're going to go ahead and leave this gasket on here and reuse it. We're going to have to take this bypass hose that would be hooked up to here and either put a plug in it or kink it up like this, put a zip tie so it can't get any airflow anymore. And depending on where your vacuum line is, you might have to rotate this over, but the vacuum line's over here, so this one's pointing in the right place. And we're just going to put this on. Same bolts. Tighten it back up. Put these vacuum lines back up. This one might come undone. Hook it on right there. And it's ready to go. And then we'll get some sounds here in a second. Okay, after installing it, this is the sound. It's about stock boost.